Environments and nature.
Hello, we are Maria Jose and Lucia, and we are going to explain the vocabulary of environments and nature. Let's start with the vocabulary of environment. Let's give some examples.
Environment. Pollution. This is the contamination of the environment. Example, fumes from factories pollute our air.
Recycle, to make something new from materials that have been used before. Example, the green bins for things that can be recycled like paper and glass.
Greenhouse gas. A gas in the atmosphere that stops heat from escaping into space. Example, the more greenhouse gases we produce, the worse climate change will get.
Habitat, the place in which a species normally lives. Example, lot of animals will become extinct if their natural habitats are destroyed.
Wildlife, animals, birds, insects living naturally in the wild. Example, I love taking pictures of wildlife in the forest.
Extinct, no longer extinct or lost forever of an animal or plant species. Example, lot of Australian animals have become extinct since the British took control.
Nature. Let's now explain the vocabulary of nature.
Rainforest, a forest that gets highest level of rain.
Mountain. A large raised area in the surface of the earth.
Volcano, mountain or hill with crater that erupts lava and hot vapor.
Valley. An area of lowland between mountains or hills.
Waterfalls, a stream of water that falls from a higher area to a lower one.
Thank you.